Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. He's young, vibrant, and festively plump. Your MC, Alfred Adrian! In the event of a fire, if there is a fire and you're sitting next to someone with a weave, it's very flammable. Run from them! You ever seen a color in an emergency? Very different from black and white people. You can see it immediately. White people come downloaded with CPR from birth. We don't know. The black people just get up and run, follow them. Because colored people is a blend of the two. We've got both, but in a bad way. We also run towards the problem. We get there before the white guys are. We run past the white guy. We get there, but we don't go there to help. No. We go there to enjoy the problem. Yeah, I thought it's good, eh? I like women. Women always get excited for these things. Eh? Like, yo, it's a game, clapping. Women are competitive, my friend. Women are like, let's go. It's like a Jack Russell.